Hello everyone. Today I will introduce how to quickly build your Docker environment. In this video, you can learn how to install the Docker and the nvidia-docker. Firstly, let's look at how to install the Docker. In, in my case, I have a Ubuntu machine. Use uname-a, you can check your Linux version. What uname-a. Here you can see my Linux version is Ubuntu 18.04. Also, you can read this document to get further information about how to configure your Docker environment. In this document, you can see here install on Ubuntu, install on Fedora, on Debian, CentOS. You can select your favorite platform here. In each platform, you can select different kinds of ways to install your Docker. You can install from the repository or install from DB package or some other ways. Here, I will introduce how to install Docker from the Ubuntu repository. Here, what I will do here is the same as here. Okay, let's start. Firstly, install these packages in beforehand. Let's update your repository and then install these requirements. Okay, after that, add Docker's official GPG key. Use this command. As I have executed this command, please run this by yourself. Usually you don't care this part. If you want, you can check the key whether it's registered correctly. Then you can go to step 3 to add the Docker source to your apt repository. Use this command. Here, I have already done that. And now you can install the Docker tools. Before that, please update the apt package. Use apt-get update. And now you can install Docker by you install Docker CE. CE is a Docker engine. CMI command line and container.io. You also can also install the specific version of the Docker agent if you want. By default, I think you don't need that by default. And you can test your whether you have installed the Docker. You can see check your Docker version that you installed. The Docker version is 19.3. I just installed. So the next step, you can run an image hello world. Use this command. Hello from Docker. The message shows that your installation appears to be working correctly. By now, you successfully installed the Docker from scratch, from zero. Now you can enjoy the Docker world. But the problem remains. If you want to run nvidia GPU programs, if you want to train your neural network, use GPU, use CUDA, you must install nvidia-docker. By default, if not, you cannot use GPU in your Docker environment. So the next, I will introduce how to install nvidia-docker. Before install nvidia-docker, you need to check two things. The first one is to check whether nvidia driver is installed on your machine. You can use nvidia SMI to check whether your nvidia driver is installed on your machine. Here I installed nvidia driver version 440 on my local machine, and I also installed CUDA SDK on my local machine. But you don't need to install CUDA SDK on your local machine if you just want to install nvidia Docker. The next thing you need to check whether Docker is installed on your machine. As I done show you, sudo docker dash version can show the Docker version you installed on your local machine. Here I already installed 19.3, so I have already satisfied this requirement. Now I can install my nvidia Docker. You can check the nvidia Docker's official GitHub to get detailed information about how to install it. What you have to do, just copy these lines to your terminal. Execute them line by line. That's all to install nvidia Docker. Okay, after that, you can test, verify your installation via this command. For example, this one. The latest nvidia Docker version is CUDA 10.2. So I use 10.2 here because I have already executed this command before, so I don't need it does not download from Docker Hub. This is the result of this command. This command is running is from this image. You can see more nvidia-docker container, Docker image from Docker Hub. What I just do is 10.2, the latest one. You can also try some other versions. Here you can specify use all the GPUs. You also can specify how many GPUs you use. You also can decide which GPU device you want to use. Use GPU 1 or GPU 2 or some others. Here in my machine, on my machine, I only have one GPU, so I don't care. But in your when you train your neural network, you can specify which GPU you will want to use. That's all for the installation of nvidia Docker. After in the Docker, the image, containers, and volumes, and networks, and summers are stored in this directory. We are lab Docker. Uh, Usually on your machine, especially for your laptop, you have two hard disks. One disk one is SSD, but the amount is very small, and you also usually you also have a very large disk. But by default, after you install the Docker is located in the boot disk. But I want to store my images on the larger disk. How to do that? I searched many methods, but I think this method is useful, very useful, and very easy to configure. Here you see my Docker is point linked to another disk, another directory. This directory is on my larger disk. So what you have to do is firstly delete the default, no, move the default Docker folder to another to your new disk that will have larger space, and then link your new directory here to via libdocker, and now you can use your larger your disk that has more free space. I think tips this trick is very useful when you use Docker. Okay, by now I introduced how to install Docker and how to install nvidia-docker and how to manage your Docker content, the directory of Docker content. That's all for today's uh, course. Thank you.